Windows Server 2016 installation.
Let us know about the difference between standalone operating system and network operating system.
A standalone operating system is an OS that works on devices such as notebook, desktop, computer or laptop. Windows 10 operating system is an example of standalone OS which is installed in our home or office computer. A network operating system runs on a server computer. It allows the server to manage data, users groups, security, and provide facilities to connected devices. The main objective of using a network operating system is to allow the devices to share files and access resources such as printers through local area network, LAN or WAN. Microsoft Windows Server 2016, Sun Solaris, Mac OS X, Unix, Novel NetWare, and Linux Server are some examples of network operating systems. There are many types of servers including web server, email server, printer server, file server, database server, and application server. Let us discuss about the minimum hardware requirement to install Windows Server 2016. 1.4 GHz processor with 64-bit architecture, 2 GB RAM with error correcting capability or ECC compatible. Minimum hard disk space for system partition is 32 GB.
An Ethernet adapter capable of at least gigabit throughput.
Compliant with PCI Express architecture specifications and supports pre-boot execution environment or PXE. First, connect the USB bootable pen drive to USB port of server computer. Turn on the system and press F12 key to access boot menu. Now select the USB HDD or pen drive as the first boot option from the menu and press Enter key. Now installation is started. Choose language to install. The default language is English, United States. Then select time and currency format. The default selection is English, then select keyboard or input method. The default is US. Click Next to continue. Click Install now. You will receive a message. Setup is starting. Now select the operating system you want to install. The default selection is Windows Server 2016 Standard. Here we select Windows Server 2016 Desktop Experience Edition and click Next. Make sure to check the I accept the license terms checkbox. Click Next. Now select the type of installation. This is a new installation and click Custom. Install Windows only advanced option. Choose the drive that you want to use to install Windows. If this is a new disk, no other action needs to be taken. Clicking Next will automatically create a partition using the entire disk. Here setup copies the required Windows files to the hard disk. Install features and updates and finishing up. Windows needs to restart to continue. Click Restart now or the computer will restart automatically after a few seconds. Here, Windows configure the different devices in the system. The setup may restart the computer for completing the device setup. Here enter the password for built-in administrator account. Make sure to follow the Windows password policy. The password should contain one number, one special character, one alphabet, and minimum 8 characters. Re-enter the password and click Finish. The initial installation of Windows Server 2016 is now complete. Press Ctrl Alt, Delete keys simultaneously to unlock the system. Log into the administrator account using the administrator password.
After login to the system, Windows Server Manager service starts automatically.
And Server Manager dashboard is displayed.